Meaning of five and dime.
Five and dime.
Five and dime.
Five and dime.
Five and dime. Five and dime is a colloquialism that originated in the early 20th century to describe a type of retail store that sold a variety of inexpensive items. The name refers to the price points of the products, typically 5 or 10 cents. These stores were popular during the Great Depression and into the mid-20th century but largely disappeared in the late 20th century with the rise of discount department stores. Today, the term five and dime is nostalgic and often used to describe a simpler time in American retail history.